Hi, hello everyone. Are you here to understand how to create this tornado chart? Then you have done a right decision because this kind of chart is not the usual visualization that you'll find on the visualization pane. This needs to be installed separately from the Microsoft Store, and then we need to use it. And believe me, guys, this looks a little different from the usual column and bar chart. You can use this in order to impress your managers or the people who are going to consume your dashboards. So, without any further ado, let's begin. Okay, so this is the visualization that we will try to achieve. If you see, it's almost resembles a tornado. That is why this particular chart is infamously called as tornado chart. So let's delete this. I had already created this for you all to show you. I will delete this and started everything from scratch. Okay, now the visualization have been removed. I will start everything from scratch as I said. I'll go to Excel workbook on top, click on that, and then I will go ahead and search for the file which I'm going to use, the table. So this is the table that I'm going to use. So I will click on open, and in that I have OT table. I will select that and click on load. So in order to show you, like, the Excel sheet that I have used here is this one. The first column gives you the details like male or female. Then we have department, HR, IT, finance, marketing, operation, HR, IT. So this is basically, I would say, a very good bifurcation of details based on male or female. Similarly, you can have charts which, or the data wherein you have to show the details in bifurcation of two elements, like tenured, not tenured, or less tenured colleagues example. Likewise, you can use it for different purposes, but now I've kept it very simple wherein I'm going to show you the bifurcation of male or female based on the department and the OTRs. That's what we are going to achieve. So this is the table which I used here. So you can see the OT data have been loaded onto the Power BI. So the Excel sheet that I had used had the OT data, right? So that's why I'm calling it as OT table, or that is overtime table. Now, what we need to do is we need to click on this three dot. I already have the tornado visualization option here, but for you, you'll not find it in the usual visualizations that you already have or the charts that you have. So for that, you need to click on this three dots and then click get more visualization. You have to make sure that the account that you are using, it should be uh, like an organizational login, not your personal login. That is, the email ID that you use should not be Gmail or Ymail. You have to create an organizational email ID, or you have to log in with the help of an organization's email ID. So now, if you see here, we have tornado chart. You have to click on that, and then click on add. So once you click on add, you will find that the tornado chart would be, or the tornado visualization option would be in here. All right, so now click on the visualization canvas. I will just collapse these so there's not much clutter. I will click on the tornado chart here. Now here, in these, so in the group, what I need to add is the department, and in the legend would be male or female. So it shows male and female bifurcation, and OT data is something for which I need the bifurcation between male and female. So for marketing, female is 45, males is 14 hours. On IT, it is 30 hours, and 25 hours for male. Operation is 25, and 30 is male. Finance is 33, and for male it's 20. HR is 25, and male is 12. So from this particular tornado, in the first view itself, we are able to see who is winning. The females are winning, right? So, guys, this is how people can quickly understand the visualization and make decisions or get onto a conclusion quickly. So if you liked this particular chart or visualization, and you find that this was valuable, then do not forget to click on that like button, as well as please subscribe my channel, because that would help my channel to grow, and this video will also go to more people and people will get the benefit out of it. So guys, thank you for going through the entire video. See you soon in the next video. Till then, take care and bye for now.